Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. What follows are my personal experiences with using OneGold. OneGold, found at www.onegold.com, offers a unique approach to precious metals ownership. Instead of taking physical possession of gold or silver, OneGold allows you to purchase and hold these assets digitally. This streamlined process offers several advantages. It simplifies storage, eliminating the need for secure vaults or safety deposit boxes. Furthermore, it provides increased liquidity, making it easier to buy and sell your holdings when market conditions are favorable. One of the key features of OneGold is its focus on accessibility. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, even for those new to precious metals investing. They offer a variety of educational resources to help you understand the market and make informed decisions. This emphasis on education empowers investors to take control of their financial future and diversify their portfolios with tangible assets. OneGold partners with APMEX, a reputable precious metals dealer, to ensure the security and integrity of your investments. This partnership provides an added layer of trust and transparency. When you buy gold or silver through OneGold, you can be confident that your assets are backed by a recognized and respected industry leader. This collaboration reinforces OneGold's commitment to providing a reliable and secure platform for precious metals ownership. Beyond simply buying and holding, OneGold facilitates seamless transactions. You can easily buy, sell, and even convert your holdings between different precious metals. This flexibility allows you to adapt your investment strategy as market conditions change. The platform also provides real-time pricing, giving you up-to-the-minute information to guide your investment decisions. OneGold offers a modern approach to investing in a timeless asset class. By combining the stability of precious metals with the convenience of digital ownership, OneGold presents a compelling option for investors looking to diversify their portfolios and protect their wealth. If you're considering adding precious metals to your investment strategy, OneGold's user-friendly platform and commitment to security make it a platform worth exploring. Remember, this is just my personal experience. Be sure to do your own research before making any investment decisions.